Stop scrolling because CapCut just turned one single image into an entire content machine, and the way it does it almost feels like cheating. You know that moment when you have one product photo, 0 extra clips, and somehow you still need a full ad, 10 versions, smooth transitions, captions, music, and a polished edit? This is exactly where most people quit. CapCut PC puts the whole workflow in one place. AI image for assets, Seedance 2.0 for AI video, then multi-track editing to finish it without jumping between tools. Let's dive in. The idea is simple. Start with one single image and let CapCut turn it into a whole library of visuals. Inside CapCut PC, you can use AI image with GPT Image 2.0 to take that one product shot and spin it into dozens of variations at scale. Different styles, different backgrounds, different moods, product posters, social covers, character visuals, and brand style assets, all generated from the same base image. So instead of shooting again and again, one image becomes 10, 20, 50 on-brand visuals in completely different styles. If GPT Image 2.0 is not available in your region yet, CapCut notes that creators can still use another image model during creation, then continue the same workflow. Now take those visuals into AI video. With image to video, that static product shot can become motion. A beauty product reveal, an e-commerce demo, a holiday version, a luxury version, or 10 different ad angles from one base image. That is huge for small businesses because instead of capturing new material every time, you can reuse one product asset and build more content around it. What makes Seedance 2.0 interesting is not just that it moves the image. CapCut highlights high consistency, so the subject, background, style, and outfit can stay aligned across frames. It also pushes more realistic movement with natural camera motion, better expression, and smoother action. So if you are making a product clip, a creator video, or a branded social post, the result can feel way more polished than a random AI clip that changes every second. Then there is text to video. This is for the moments when you do not even have visuals yet. You type one simple sentence and CapCut can generate short videos with characters, dialogue, and scenes. So instead of staring at a blank timeline, you can start from an idea and quickly build a visual direction. The more advanced part is Omni Reference. This lets you bring in reference images or videos and tell CapCut what to use from them. For example, remove a product background, place a brand mark from one image onto a product in a clip, or reference a style and motion direction. There is one important limitation. Imported images and reference videos with real human faces can be blocked at input, but text-to-video human-style characters are not affected. And this is where it gets fun. Seedance 2.0 can also generate transition videos between two completely different assets. So you drop in one image or clip as the start and another as the end, and CapCut builds a smooth AI transition that morphs one material into the next. That means you can connect a product shot to a logo, a before to an after, or one scene straight into another with motion that looks designed instead of stitched. After the AI outputs are ready, you bring everything into the multi-track editor, add captions, audio, transitions, effects, and templates, then create multiple versions for different hooks, audiences, or offers. That is the difference between one cool AI result and an actual ready-to-post workflow. For marketers, this means one product image can turn into multiple ad ideas. For creators, it means empty shots, atmosphere shots, branded transitions, and visual effects can be made faster. For anyone making short-form content, it means you can test different styles, ratios, and edits without rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. CapCut supports ratios like 9:16, 1:1, 16:9, 4:3, and even 21:9, so you can shape content for different platforms. The part I like most is that it does not separate the AI step from the editing step. You generate the assets, turn them into video, refine the timeline, and finish the post in the same CapCut PC workflow. That is exactly what creators and small teams need when they are trying to move fast without hiring a big editing setup. So if you want to test AI videos, product ads, social clips, or reusable brand assets, click my link to try CapCut PC and explore a faster AI video workflow for marketing and creative content. And if you want more AI tools that actually help you create faster, subscribe to Vortex. Bye!